Alright, she's been in the shop for a few weeks. Made a few changes since you guys seen it last. I got a new TruFiber 3-inch cowl carbon fiber hood. I traded it from a friend. I traded him an OEM stock hood, plus a couple $100 on top of it. Still a lot I want to do with the hood. I mean, the fitment's not the greatest. I mean, it's half an inch up there, maybe a couple centimeters at the bottom. But another thing with the clear coat, we just did it with a clear coat spray can. I just want to get it done because when I first bought it, he originally dipped his car, and he stripped all of it off, and it was just pure carbon, like just fresh carbon. I didn't want to drive around with that. But I want to eventually buy a bottle or a can of clear coat and put it in our spray gun that we have, so it'll make it a lot cleaner. I mean, it's pretty rough right now with the can of it. It'll definitely be a lot smoother. It'll be like glass. Hopefully it'll make the carbon look a lot deeper too. You're looking down into it. I really like the look of it. It's pretty hard to see out of when you're driving it, going over speed bumps and whatnot. But from the cause of that, some dickhead pulled into a parking spot in front of me, knocked over cinder blocks, fucked up my bumper. So fuck you, whoever did that. The hood pins came along with it. They're kind of cheesy in my opinion, but I mean, I kind of like the look of them. I don't really know what his whole plan was with painting them like a rainbow kind of color shift paint. I'm not a big fan of that. It should just be black. Or this little messed up. I don't know how that could have actually happened. Not perfect, but it looks a lot better in my opinion than what it did with the stock hood. Also a few more changes we got. Me and my friend, we wrapped the roof just black, matte black, with, I don't know what the brand of the wrap was, but I like it. I like how it follows with the, goes from the hood to the roof, and then there's black louvers in the back. It didn't come out perfect, but I think it looks a lot better than just the regular red paint. It's very time consuming. Me and my friend, or me and another F-boy actually, it took us 4 or 5 hours to finish just the roof itself. It was kind of a pain in the ass because you had to heat it up. We didn't have a heat gun, we had a hair dryer. You kind of just had to heat it up and pull it as tight as you could. But I mean, we obviously couldn't get some of the imperfections out of it, as you can see. But overall, I do like the look of the black roof instead of base color. I think it's a lot more mean from the front. I mean, it's kind of hard to see out of the driver's seat, but I mean, I don't really care about vision right now. It's not that big of a problem to me. But as you can see in the rearview mirror, another Corvette. No big deal. Along with wrapping the roof matte black are kind of these two little bezels on the side of the grill. Looks a lot more mean in my opinion. I mean, it's kind of jerry-rigged, but I like it. We had a few feet of wrap left, so we just kind of messed around and wrapped the emblems, the front and the rear GT symbol. Same thing with the bumper. Some dickhead kind of, like I said, pulled in front of me, hit cinder blocks. I came in, hit him after him. But his insurance is not going to be able to pay for it, so I'm going to have to buy myself a new bumper. I don't know what yet, it's going to be a surprise. Hopefully in the next few videos of my car, we're going to have it. I was thinking about a Roush GT 500 front bumper along with it, or I'd just buy a whole new OEM regular stock one, repaint it, put a splitter, or put a lip and a splitter on it. Maybe be a little bit cheaper. Kind of thinking about getting a new grill as well with the bumper, maybe kind of match it in some way instead of just the regular stock honeycomb. I'm not a big fan of it. Maybe because it's like all dingy black, but let us know in the comments what kind of grills you guys think looks best on this year car, or this year GT. Got a fuckboy. Got a fuckboy comments. Okay. Oh, we do have a fuckboy. Oh, we should have that. Oh, Dad. We get like super cringy. If there's anything else that you guys want to see done with the car, please just let us know in the comments, because I'm very excited to change the look of it. There's plenty of different things I still have yet to do to it, like performance wise. So hopefully that's coming soon. I just want to get the look of it, maybe cosmetics first, get it to like where I like it. Maybe definitely exhaust. Exhaust is definitely coming soon. Maybe not in the next video, but maybe in the future. Make sure to keep watching the following videos of my car, because there's going to be a huge change in the look of the whole car in several different ways. Like, subscribe, comment what you think about this video. If you want more, let us know. Keep posting on the next video. It's going to be big.
Boom.
Boom. Done.